How to find smart SMS settings on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find smart SMS on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that click settings, and now once you're here just you need to find messaging. Click on it. Scroll down until you find smart SMS, and here is it. Just you can turn it off or on. You can manage it easy, and then just go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.